Forget about the fancy touchscreens and the glowing digital displays for a moment. If you just want to turn a pile of frozen kale and solid ice into liquid silk, you do not need a computer built into your kitchen appliances. You need a motor that sounds like a jet engine and a blade that does not know the meaning of the word quit. This latest entry-level powerhouse is stripping everything back to basics and focusing on what actually counts. It feels like a direct response to those of us who are tired of paying for extra bells and whistles we never actually use. They have taken the high-power formula that made the brand famous and removed the digital fluff to keep the price within reach. You get a speed dial, you get a manual switch, you get raw, unadulterated performance. When you fire this thing up, you realize quickly that it is not just riding on a famous name. It handles the tough stuff like thick nut butters and rock-solid frozen fruit without even breaking a sweat. Most budget blenders leave you with those annoying little chunks of ice or fibrous bits of spinach that ruin the whole experience. This machine creates a massive vortex that pulls everything down into the blades with incredible efficiency. You do not have to stand there and poke at it with a plastic stick every 5 seconds just to get a smooth result. The 64-ounce container is a massive plus for anyone cooking for a crowd. You can make a huge batch of steaming hot soup or enough smoothies to fuel the entire house in one go. The beauty of this design is really in its total simplicity. There is no learning curve at all. You turn the dial to adjust the speed and you flip the switch to make it go. It is refreshing in an age where every piece of kitchen gear seems to require a smartphone app. However, that simplicity comes with a trade-off. There are no preset programs here. You cannot just press a button and walk away while it does its thing. You are the pilot of this machine. And believe me, you will know when that motor is running. This thing is loud. It is the kind of noise that will definitely wake up the rest of the house if you start your morning routine too early. It is a high-performance tool, and high-performance tools make noise. Cleaning is mostly a breeze because of the built-in self-cleaning cycle. You just toss in some warm water and a drop of dish soap and let it rip for less than a minute. It does all the heavy lifting for you. But you do have to watch out for residue building up under the blades over time. It is a small maintenance detail that can become a long-term annoyance if you do not stay on top of it. Some people are debating whether this new model is actually a true upgrade or just a repackaging of the legendary older versions. It lacks the advanced sensors of the top-tier units, but the build quality is still rock solid. You get that heavy, durable feel that suggests this machine will still be sitting on your counter a decade from now. That longevity is exactly why people are willing to pay more for this brand. It really comes down to what you value in your kitchen. If you want smart features or a quiet operation, you are going to be disappointed. This is a machine for the purists who want professional level results without the professional level price tag. It is a refined rework of a classic formula. It feels less like a gadget, more like a piece of industrial equipment. If you already have a working high-end model, this is not a must-have upgrade. But if you are looking to jump into the world of high-power blending for the first time, this is a very compelling way to get that signature smooth texture without the unnecessary tech.